Far from the battlefields of the world, a boy named Karan Bahadur was born among Nepal's mountains. The rugged hills taught endurance, discipline, and resilience long before he carried a rifle. When duty called, Karan Bahadur answered, joining the legendary Gurkha Rifles. He left his home to begin the journey that would make him a Gurkha warrior. As the village memory faded in his eyes, he heart filled with courage to a new mission. He entered the Gurkhas, where boys were forged into legends.
Where bravery was earned, not given.
Every challenge forged him into a disciplined soldier of remarkable determination. World War I carried Gurkha soldiers far from home into unfamiliar lands. By 1918, the struggle against Ottoman forces intensified across Palestine. Near the village of El-Kefr, destiny awaited Rifleman Karan Bahadur Rana. The assault began under relentless machine gun fire. Men fell, progress halted, survival itself became uncertain. A desperate effort was made to silence the deadly enemy position. Within seconds, the gunner was killed. In a single moment, courage overcame fear. Without hesitation, he seized the weapon and continued the attack. Bombs exploded around him, yet he refused to retreat. His fire destroyed the machine gun crew, threatening his comrades.
He turns a desperate moment into an unbreakable advance.
He shifted targets, suppressing every threat before him.
He charged, carrying the assault with unwavering resolve as he targeted the enemy with his gun beyond the trenches. Twice, under the crushing weight of battle, the weapon failed him, its mechanism jammed as bullets threatening to halt the advance. As the weapon roared back to life, he immediately resumed firing and protecting the advance of his comrades. He protected the retreat, staying behind until the last possible moment. His courage saved lives and changed the outcome of the engagement. For his extraordinary bravery, he received the Victoria Cross. After years of devoted service on distant battlefields, he returned carrying the quiet honor earned through unwavering duty and immense sacrifice. His actions became part of the enduring legacy of the Gurkhas. From the hills of Nepal to the battlefields of history, Karan Bahadur Rana's courage lives forever. Karan Bahadur Rana, Magar VC, Nepal's immortal warrior.